Adrian Flux, what does the name mean to you? It could mean classic cars, or specialist insurance, or some insurance bloke. It could mean nothing right now. To us, Adrian Flux means celebrating the individual. It means community and family. It means valuing what we have in common, not defining us by what we don't. It all started in 1973 with a Spartan kit car. Adrian's passion for motoring and kit cars was held back by the fact that he couldn't find an insurer that would cover the custom modifications of his car. So, knowing that he couldn't be alone in his search for bespoke cover, that a whole community of car fanatics and DIY enthusiasts were being overlooked and undervalued, he decided to form his own insurance brokerage with the aim of providing insurance for the individual, starting with his very own kit car. Soon after, through word of mouth, conversations sparked up at car shows, and with a little PR, people started to approach Adrian to help them find cover for their modified or unusual vehicles. Within 5 years of founding the company, Adrian Flux offered specialist policies for said cars, including Imps, Capris, and a range of American imports. Central to Adrian Flux values is the understanding that every person is unique, whether they have a modified car or a standard car, a patchy driving record or a blemish-free motoring history, and their insurance should be specific to their personal circumstances and their vehicle. To help achieve this mission, Adrian established a broad panel of insurance providers to ensure schemes were available to match almost any scenario, and trained his staff in that old-fashioned pleasantry of talking and listening to customers to ensure every customer is given a bespoke service by a real person. Progress over decades was rapid. In the 1980s, Adrian Flux launched a dedicated classic car scheme, pioneering the limited mileage deal for cherished vehicles, as well as offering a range of motorhome, van and pickup cover. In the 1990s, the business expanded to offer cover for 4x4, military vehicles, Japanese imports and household insurance, and added a specialist motorbike team, Bikesure. Yet, despite the success, Adrian continued to treat his staff like family, even employing his son David and ensuring he got the same start as everyone else, as a clerk, to make sure that he understood every aspect of the business and understood the needs of the customers without any special treatment. Always on the lookout for new opportunities, Adrian Flux joined forces with Bishop's Stortford-based Sterling Insurance, formerly Hearts Insurance Consultants, to offer specialist VW, camper, green card and expat insurance. What started small grew into the UK's largest independent insurance broker, employing more than 2,000 members of staff based over 5 sites, including the head office at the historic and imposing Eastwinch Hall in Kings Lynn, Norfolk. And with David Flux at the helm, this family-run business continues to live up to the example set by Adrian himself, providing real people with a personalised service to meet their individual needs. Adrian Flux, insurance for the individual.